Robinsons Retail Holdings planning to delist sa Philippine stock market. Tara, pag-usapan natin ito. The Gokongwei family and their privately held investment vehicle na si JE Holdings hold around 66.6% stake kay Robinsons Holdings, which owns one of the country's largest chains of supermarkets, drugstores, and department stores. JE Holdings is offering to buy the rest of the company at 48.3 pesos kada isang share. In short, JE Holdings is planning to buy all shares na currently ay hawak ng mga public investors like us. Ginagawa ang tender offer ng isang company para bilhin lahat ng mga publicly owned shares ng company para maging private ito muli. Ngayon, kung meron kang hawak na Robinsons Retail Holdings Inc. or RRHI na shares, you will receive a notification from your stockbroker that JE Holdings or si Robinsons is planning to buy yung mga shares na hawak mo right now at a price of 48 pesos 3 kada isang share. Ngayon, nasa iyo naman if you want to sell it or not. Pero kung ako sa'yo, I'll just simply sell it kasi mahirap na. Mahirap ibenta ang shares mo kapag naka-private na yung company. So ikaw ba? Ibibenta mo ba yung shares mo or i-hold mo lang?